Okay, so today's video is gonna be replacing the air intake and fuel injection. I'll take it from my previous owned car. This one is a sport line, but it's in a bad shape and I can't repair it. However, it runs a lot more better than my other car, which is this one. So I'm gonna take parts from this car and move it over to this one. So we're just gonna have to start with this. So the first thing we have to do is take off this entire part. We have the air intake thingy and the fuel distributor. I'm planning to put those two on the other car because this one is a lot more better shape than the one I have. Also, there's a plastic or a hose thing underneath that is cracked on the other one. This one is in good shape, so that will help a lot my car to idle correctly. And I want to also take out the cold air valve and replace it on the other car because I think that this one works a lot more better too. So yeah, I'll be starting unscrewing this and put it on the next one, on the other car. Okay, so now it's time to record, but I'm gonna have to clean this part. So this is what I was having trouble with. This part here on my white car is all cracked. So this one is in very good condition. Only thing I have to do is to clean up the entire thing because it's really messy. So yeah, I got my cleaning spray and some of my tools, a toothbrush, that's very helpful to do some cleaning. So yeah, I'll just start cleaning up. Okay, so I've washed the intake, fuel distributor, I've cleaned everything up. It still looks kind of messy and disgusting, but I've done the best I could, and the plastic underneath looks amazing. So all we have to do is replace it and put it out. So now I have to take out the other one. Okay, so I'm back, and I apologize for the shitty camera, but yeah, my car is functioning, it's working real good. I'm just trying to wrap up this video. I don't want to make a very long video, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. And yeah, now that I have that out of the way, next video I guess we'll try to do something fun, as finishing up my spoilers, maybe doing an interior swap. But this is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy. See you guys on the next one.